The West Agartala police have successfully solved a recent burglary case at a Ma Tripura Sundari store on road number 4 in Ramnagar, arresting 3 suspects in recovering stolen goods. 4th accomplice is still at large, but police are confident he will be arrested soon. According to police officers from the Sonamura police station, acting on a tip-off, raided the home of Monir Hossain near Nutanbazar Park. During the search, they discovered and confiscated 1,669 Yaba tablets. The street value of the seized narcotics has not yet been released. Monir Hossain, who is identified by authorities as a drug dealer with 2 wives, was not present during the raid and is currently a fugitive. Police took both of his wives into custody for questioning in connection with the drug trafficking operation. The investigation is ongoing and authorities are actively searching for Hossain. This raid highlights the police commitment to combating the illicit drug trade in the region. Reported by Mosara from Sonamura, Chini Khorang.